Hello friends, in this video we will talk about nerves and vessels of the arm. We'll talk about the nerves as in musculocutaneous, median and radial nerve. Also ulnar nerve we will discuss, and in the vessels only brachial artery. Right, let's see musculocutaneous nerve. So as you are seeing, it arises from the lateral cord of the brachial plexus. It first pierces coracobrachialis, then the biceps, okay, then it pierces brachialis, okay, and then going downwards it pierces the biceps again and then comes out as the lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm. This is the course of the musculocutaneous. Let's see the median and ulnar nerves. First, median. Median is coming from here, that is the medial cord of the brachial plexus. Okay, so it is going like this, the median nerve you are seeing, and then this is going to pierce the bicipital aponeurosis as you are seeing here. And radial nerve is coming from this part, okay, it's piercing the lateral intramuscular septum, and then it is dividing into the two branches. This is very brief. We'll see the details in a few minutes. And here please remember, in the arm, ulnar nerve is the one that will not give the branches. It will just pierce the intramuscular septum and come out. There are no branches. Remember this point, okay? Let's see the radial nerve. So radial nerve is from here. This is the starting point. This will supply the long head of triceps, a branch. Then it gives out a branch, posterior cutaneous nerve of arm. If we again keep going downwards, we have the branch supplying the medial head of triceps, then the lateral head of the triceps. Then going more downwards, we are finding, okay, we are finding that it gives lower lateral cutaneous nerve of arm and also the posterior branch. Then there is a nerve that supplies the anconeus muscle, and then here it continues like this downwards and then giving branches entering the forearm region, okay. Next, in the vessels, brachial artery. So brachial artery, it's a continuation from the third part of the axillary artery that pierces the teres major muscle. It gives a branch profunda brachii, okay, we'll see that now. And then this is brachial artery continuing. Then it gives the ulnar collateral arteries, superior and inferior. Then a small branch, nutrient artery. Then this is the profunda brachii, giving a small branch supplying the deltoid. And then it's continuing down to give the muscular branch. Then we have the anterior and posterior descending branches, okay. And then we are finding this brachial artery is continuing down, dividing into the radial and ulnar arteries, okay. So that is it. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.